Hello crazy coders, welcome to the third part of our rock paper scissors game which we are building with Pygame. As you can already see this Pygame window of our game, we have text, buttons and weapon images. When we click on the button which we added in the first and second part of the game, be sure to watch those video. Links will be in the description. So what we're gonna make today is, based on the weapon selected by the user and the computer, we're gonna calculate if user has won, lost or tied, and update the score as well, and also show the text that you won in green if user is the winner, and you lost in red if computer is the winner. So like this, if user is lost, you will get the loss, and if the user has won, we'll get them you won with a green letter. So without wasting further time, let's get started.
Okay, before starting with the third part, I want to correct one thing from our second part, which is basically if whenever is user weapon value is true, we are going in this if statement and we are just making is shown weapon true. So now when is shown weapon is true, we are going in this, right? We are just showing our weapons, and basically I don't want to go in this if block after going into this if block, basically because it is in this if block we are making show weapon true, and in this if block basically we will only grow if is show weapon is true. So we don't want to make it true if is already true. That's why I will make this false so that it won't go into this if block again, even being this variable true. Okay, so if this variable true, this variable will be false. By that sense, we'll not make this variable again true. Okay, now moving ahead with the third part. Basically the first thing I want to do is I want to make some text for tie message, one message, and lost message. So I will paste code here. So what I have done is I have created three text from our font which we have created here. First text is it's a tie, second you won, and third you lost. And the tie message color will be same as other text. One message color will be in green color. This is an RGBA format, color format, and also a lost message which will a red color in RGB. Okay, moving ahead, next thing I will do is I will create a list basically named weapon choice text, and what this will contain is it will contain a representative of rock, paper and scissors. Yeah, so what I have done is I have created a text with rock, paper, scissor initials, and first index will contain rock, second location is paper, third location is scissor. Now why I am using this is basically to compare user selection and computer selection and to evaluate the winner. For that I will create two another variables, which is user weapon text. Okay, initially I will keep it none, and also another variable with user weapon text, and I will also keep it none. Okay, now I will update these variables whenever we are picking a weapon. So now I will just import it here to update it as they are global variables. So whenever we are picking user weapon, we are also updating user weapon text, which will come from this list, and it will be of the same index of the user weapon index. Okay, same thing with computer weapon text, and from weapon choice text I will just use a comp weapon index. Okay, now after doing this, what I will basically do is I will just compare two things and I will update the score. Okay, now I will create another variable here to as a result message, since based on the result, won or lost or tie, I will update this result message with one of this font. Okay. Now let me paste some code here. So I have pasted some code here. What this basically does is it's checking two things: one, computer user weapon text, and computer weapon text, and which we have created above. Basically, if they are equal, we are making a result message equal tie message, which is our text for it's a tie. And whenever user wins, basically, if user is rock and computer is scissor, rock wins. So we are updating with rock message, and we are updating the user score, which we have created here as 00. And yeah, whenever whenever his user is winning, we are updating with one message. Similarly here, scissor beats paper, and paper beats rock. Yeah, but whenever computer is winning, we are updating with lost message. Okay, and updating the com score as well. And after that, we are updating our messages which we have created in the first part. They are here. We have a score font with 25 as font size and font from our project directory, and we are rendering initially your is user score 0, com score 0, but after updating the score and evaluating the winner, we are updating with the user score and com score with same color and smoothness, and the text will be your score and com score with the updated score. Okay, and now after updating, it will automatically be split out by the pygame here. Okay, with location. But now as I've updated the result message, I will also screen dot blit whenever we are showing the weapon as well. So let me do it here, screen dot blit, and here I will just use result message with the location, I think around 250 to 20. Okay, let's try this. Let me run the file. Okay, we have the initial text. We'll check this. So as you can see, paper beats rocks, so we are lost and com score is increased. Paper, it's a tie, no score has increased, and then there is a message called it's a tie. Okay, now we are picking a scissor, it's a tie again it's a tie, you lost. Basically paper beats, rock beats scissor, then that's why we are lost. We are lost again. Why are we not winning? Yes, this time we won. The rock beats scissor, that's why we are won, and our score has increased. So that was it from this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you up in the next video.